Here's our parakeet bird sitting on top of my son, and he's laying down. The parakeet bird walking on him. This is his house. Here's the parakeet bird. Hey. He's still on you, don't worry, he's on your head.
Tickles so much. It's tickling me.
He's right now on your head, now on your back.
Tickles, take it off. Oh,
My son says it tickles. It's okay. Be a man.
No, it tickles.
It's okay.
He doesn't want to get off of me.
He's walking on Musa.
Oh, it tickles. Can you get him off?
I'm not. He's right now on your head.
Get him off.
Don't move. He's right now on your head. You're gonna scare him.
Get him off right now. He tickles so much. And he knocks.
Okay. Come.
Oh, that tickles so much.
Now you wanna go home? You wanna go home? His name is Jonah. We call him Jonah.
Well, my
Jonah.
dad does. But his name is actually John.
Go home. Go.
But no.
Now he's going home.